Muscle cars of the late 60s started running staggered wheels, a jacked up rear end, big meats in the rear, and Parker Fuller's 2019 Blooper Reel! Woo!
Hey.
He just cranks it up.
Damn it.
So annoying. I'm never coming back to see him. Just kidding, I love it here. 20% off. John! God damn it.
I was literally doing
one bite, everybody knows the rule.
One bite, you know the rule, you know. Not much flop, not much grease, not bad. 7.2.
Yep.
Plus, every single gear order comes with slap stickers. Damn. 10% off Archons, 15% off Methods, and 5% off Anthem wheels. Oh no, it's coming in hot! So hopefully you guys saw the video we posted on Sunday where we announced that we're doing a tug of war.
And I'm Shawn, Custom Offsets
That's terrible.
on the YouTube.
What are you doing?
You forgot to say your name.
No, the names will be on the screen. You don't want to make it
I
awkward.
thought we have to always say our names.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Was I supposed to do something there?
Yeah, right when I said tug of war, that's when you jumped
I
in.
was waiting for you to say your name.
No. You ever chug maple syrup? No, you can't, because you got little bird lips. Like I said, Charlie used to daily drive this thing. Charlie from customer service, you might have talked to him. As you can tell, we haven't been treating it all that well here.
Sending it, baby.
Full send.
Launching it.
What's going on, guys? Fuller here from Custom Offsets, and we just released this brand new hoodie that not only benefits cancer research, but it can also win you a chance. Win you a chance? Nope. What's going on, guys? Fuller here from Custom Offsets, and we just released this brand new hoodie that not only benefits breast cancer research, but it also can get you automatically entered to win a... I'm getting so angry. You have to save these for the blooper reel.
I don't know what we're doing.
This or that.
Oh, yeah. I don't even need to do anything.
Yeah.
You just ask us questions and I just respond to them.
Let's get it.
Oh, what was that?
High five.
Oh, I didn't know what you did.
Stop filming me. Stop filming me. Taking the flag off.
Mic check.
Check, check.
Mic check. You sound a little quiet. Maybe not.
How'd that sound?
Yikes.
Wow, I farted. It smells terrible.
Go now or forever hold your peace.
It means rolling if you want to be in it, but not in it.
Come on, get your ass back there. Don't be doing that.
All right, guys, rear crack, we're doing a double here. It's like the what is it, Ron Burgundy, and and
I believe this is a -6. I'm gonna have to actually look this up.
we're gonna hope it doesn't offend anybody. That's why today we picked all black trucks.
That's already offensive.
It wasn't until you said that.
Are we getting good stuff?
Yeah, we're getting great stuff.
Abraham Lincoln freed the slaves. We are gonna free the bald eagles out of that 6 liter.
8.9 liter.
Okay, let's do this for real now.
Yeah.
Ass or tits?
I do like a nice ass.
Oh, we're not putting it in.
I shit myself.
My back kind of hurts a little bit.
Should we stretch quick?
You know, doing videos is just like, oh, it takes a toll on you. My body.
Oh, that actually feels good, not gonna lie.
Okay.
Oh.
Come on, can I have some of that?
Cameraman Keaton getting the old.
All right, welcome to Custom Offsets, where we do all things rough, tough, and dirty, just like your favorite porn star, Parker the Fuller. Here at Custom Offsets, we sell t-shirts, we sell pants, and we sell hats. We also sell knives, but if you buy a t-shirt, that's the best, because then you can buy, well, no, you just buy the t-shirt, and then you win. You win, wheels, tires, and suspension. But in this giveaway specifically, you just win suspension. So it's really not that good of a deal, but it's still a pretty fucking good deal because $25 for a t-shirt and you get $19 for a t-shirt and you could get rough country coilovers. Get it, son.
We the best. What is it?
Zoom.
No, I won't do anything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
BDS 6.5-inch coilover lift. This Cadillac's gonna drive behind me because that's how all these video shoots go. But we're in kind of a smaller town, I guess you could say, as compared. Did you ever go as a child to, what did you call it? Corey Kids?
Yeah, Corey Quest.
Corey Quest.
Yes.
Absolutely. Dude, that was my shit.
What's up? It's Corey on the beat. We're about to lift a pickup. Just kidding, it's already lifted on a lift. Ha! Got him! I should be the new
Corey, why do you smell like soap?
Do I? I just put on hand sanitizer.
All right, 3, 2, 1, action.
I was still fixing my mic. All right, Jim, you can go.
You ever seen this? You ever seen what's in there?
I don't.
No, look in there.
I'm good.
Let me show you what's in there.
No.
Pow!
Showroom.
Why didn't you stupid idiots wash it? Like, we got quick detail, we got tire shine, we got fucking liquid wax, we got interior cleaner, we got window cleaner, and yet we have a dirty truck in the showroom. This is fucking despicable.
I mean, it's gonna be cleaned in the showroom.
Hey, you're that loud, stupid kid neighbor.
Hey,
I'm
neighbor.
gonna shake you like that if you don't get the out of here. I'm getting you a shovel for Christmas.
Don't worry about it. It's fine.
It's big, it's teal, it's black.
Horn blasters. F light bars.
Shocker logo.
It's a thing. It's an Instagram thing. You wouldn't understand. But when you have no money or you're broke, which is the same thing. See, the first one just went well, and now I'm gonna f up all of these. The steering wheel is wrapped in a nice soft leather. Just really running out of words today.
Muscle cars of the late 60s started running staggered wheels, a jacked up rear end, big meats in the rear, and the horsepower to match. Damn it!
Way to fucking go, bud.
84-minute video, down the drain.
Oh God, we're gonna start all over. What's going on? It's Fleur from Custom Offsets. Custom Offsets TV with Jared and Alex. We got an episode of this or that, or the other thing, because Alex is here now. You look a little red.
You know, your conscious state.
He's the devil on both of our shoulders.
You didn't catch it. You gotta catch it. Oh, come on. Damn it. Hello? No, I'm not in the video. No, not a problem.
Okay.
Hey guys. Horsepower.
I wish there was a camera pointing at him.
Yeah, to see it, right? It would have been gold. I was about ready to start, but now I can't.
Should I interrupt you again or no?
Well, what is going on?
Could you mute that?
Oh, it's TikTok.
Of course it's TikTok.
still following me?
Yeah. I'm trying to get cinematic shots and you're f***ing it all up.
Let's get back to reality.
I'm done making sick noises. These motherfuckers are 10% off. What's going on, guys? Fully from Custom Offsets TV on YouTube. Peace.